Hey everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost. You know when you get a crazy idea just looking at your stuff piled up on your desk? Okay. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a pile of stuff over there. Well, I was about to clean it up and then I got this idea, so I thought I might try it with you guys and see how it goes. So here we go. So I made these the other day. These are little mini book covers out of a playing card, and then I just glued the back and put a napkin down, paper napkin, and then just inked around and folded it in a book cover shape. And here we are. And then as I was cleaning up, I noticed I had these little mini foreign translation dictionary pages. And I thought, thought to myself, I took a couple of these and folded them in half. They might work out perfectly for the size of this little book. And I think they will, and I think that's kind of cool. So now the big question comes, I could make a little tiny journal full of, like it's going to be like a little mini dictionary in a foreign language, which I think is kind of cool. Now let's just see how we can do this. Maybe I can get double out of what I have here, which would be awesome. Yeah, I think I can totally do that. So I'm going to fold it in half this way so I make sure I make the cut right. And that should be about center. About center. Oh, let me get the bone folder. Folder of the bone. Best junk journal tool ever. Nice crisp cut there. And I could cut this. I don't know the best way to do this. Maybe with the old metal ruler and the crap knife. Just cut the edge off. Why am I going on an angle always? I don't know. Must stay flush to the ruler. It's not cutting very well. I just put a new blade. It's not the blade. It's me. Okay. There we go. That's not bad. I think I freed the edges. What I intended all along. Not the perfect cut, but not bad. Okay. So now we have a whole boatload of, to make sure we have them oriented correctly. All in the up direction would help, Pam. So now we could fold these in half. Yet again, using the bone folder. And this little book, because of its size, will actually accommodate several signatures. Let's maybe give it 3, or at least 2. And I don't know if I'm just going to use these pages or I'm going to add something. I may need more bulk than this, but this would actually be a cute little addition to any junk journal. While it won't necessarily fit inside, it could rest on top or be part of a spine dangle or part of the sash wrapping of a regular journal. It could dangle from there as an ornament. It could be a Christmas ornament for your tree. It could be something to hang from a gift box that you give somebody and put it in there. But let's just see if we can construct it. What would be the easiest way to do this? And I think I have an idea. It's going to be super easy. Don't have to fuss with holes because there's not a lot of width here to punch multiple holes in. I could use a needle and thread and all the fuss and all that, but no. I'm going to do that. Do something different and easier. Yeah, let's just get 3 of these babies going. It's in here. Now they're going to spread out a little more because I have separated them. So I think that's actually an okay number. I could probably add a few pages of something, but should I? Oh, maybe. I have this pretty piece. That would be nice to add in. Oh, where did I pull that out of? Not sure. Oh, I just combined 2. Look at that. Mussed it right up. Okay, is that good? I think that's pretty good. I think that's the way they were. All right, let's just leave these be. Maybe add a page or 2 more to each one just to thicken it up just a smidgeroony. And the theory I'm going to use to assemble it all should be just fine. Yes, I tell you, just fine. Okay, we need a flush edge. We do need a flush edge here. There we go, flush edge. All right. Maybe we need more papers in this, it's possible. Maybe we could use some of these. That would be cool. Maybe we will use some of these. feels like 2 pages stuck together. This wasn't me gluing these together. This is glued from some of the day and some of the time. I don't know what happened there, but maybe I can salvage some. And a flush edge here. Where's my edge flusher? Here it is. My craft mat and my edge flusher, and I'm golden. What more does one need in life? Nobody knows. Okay, not much else. So let's at least 1 page more each. Let's use the little one, everybody. Okay. We could tear this too, but I think I'm going to scissor it. Okay. So I should have a few more pages here that I can add. Hopefully they'll fit. I'll put them in the middle of these little illustrious signatures. Oh, look how quickly and easily these just nestle right in there. And the music one, and they'll fit, and everything is dandy, and we are golden. Okay, so where did you come from? I think this one. You look a little skinny. 2, no, maybe this one. 2, 3, 3, 4. Yeah, I think you are this one. I think you are, but we'll just roll with that. Wish the Lord, hope we weren't that one. Oh, 2, 3, 4. No, I think we're good. Okay, let me get my little secret trick. Where are you, little secret stuff? Let me go look for you. Oh, is that you? Oh, I think it is. Oh, no, that's not it. Hang on. Oh, here we go. This is it. There's a little bit of, oh, I think I've got 2 here. Well, let's see what it is. This is elastic cording. Sometimes this can save hours of work. Okay, so there's different thicknesses. That's super thin. This is like mid, a little stronger. You want to check it out for tensile strength. Make sure it's not old and going to fall apart on you. Because sometimes that happens if you use some vintage stuff. Or you got it in a thrift shop or something like that. You know how it goes. Okay. So basically, you could put little notches in here too, which isn't a bad idea if you want to make marks of where you want this to sit. Just can't see any of that. So you could do, well, this idea is not really working, but we're going to give it a try anyway. Great in my mind, you know. Trying to make little rivets where this can sit. It apparently is just tearing everything apart, but that's all right. We'll just carry on. We're going to put these 3, collect them, and then put them inside as they will stay. So now we know where they will live. Now we're going to take a tail, and we're going to put it between our fingers here, hold it. We're going to come into the middle of the first one. Oop, no. Okay, goodness gracious, we have to hold this somehow. There must be a way, just hold it. Okay. I go down through the middle, and then down through the middle, anchoring the second one, down through the middle, anchoring the third one. And if all is well, you could actually go back again for extra certainty. I've got the tail. Okay. 1, middle of the second one. Oh, you get there in the middle. None of that running around stuff. 2, and then the last one is 3, and then we're both on the back. Let's get these all organized so that they're on the spine. And then we're going to tie. And these are actually going to be removable little signatures. So you could actually have blank ones. You could go and fill up writing space in there if you wanted. Left over right, right over left. Makes it nice and tight. Okay, you could put a bow in there, whatever you like. I think maybe I'll do a tiny bow. Little bowski. Complete the look on the spine. Come here, come here. No wiggling. Okay, now sometimes when you do that, the bow is too big, but you can pull the ears back. Bow. Oop, that was a little much. Retighten, re-pull until you're at your happy place. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm going to move some of these over a little bit to make them position more equally inside the book. And that, I mean, you're pretty much done. And it's just plum cute, isn't it? It's just plum cute in a plum cute sort of way. I'll put some plum on here. How about that? This is a little bit of purple. I don't know why I'm putting purple on here. I just am. It's there. It's in my hand. And here's the brown. Sometimes I like to go over stuff in brown just to knock it down a little bit and give it a little bit of antique-y sort of look, which I think is just kind of cool. Okay, a little glue is coming up there. We need to deal with that. The glue is coming up. The paper is coming up. Needs a little more glue ski. Run in there with some glue stick, and we are golden. So that is just a cute little fun thing. And that's just made out of one little playing card and some extra pieces of paper. Somehow my paper is upside down. You notice this? Like did I put in it like, oh, maybe it actually goes like this. This one's upright. This one's not upright. Why is that not upright? Because the one paper that I put in is not the right way. But since this is done with, oh my God, let me see if I can really do this. Pull it out of here and turn it over. Yeah. Oh, can it be done? Apparently, yes, it's an easy fix. How about that? Yeah, that's pretty amazing, right? Where are you going? But yes, so you can reorient them a little bit if you need to, if they wiggled on you in place, so you can reposition a little bit. And if you did them nice and snuggy tight, they should pretty much stay in place. If you have one that's like hanging out a little for some reason, maybe its side partner on this side needs a little yank pull, like he's a little shy on this side, so pull him out. Now he's balanced and everything is good. So there you go. I hope you had fun with that. Yeah, just a shorty today. Lots of fun. And let me see if I can find little Mr. Snuffers. And we will go from here. Okay, Mom. Are you telling me that that's it? That's all you go? I can't get comfortable. Okay, I'm a little close. Okay, not comfortable. Sunshine, not the light. Okay, I'll get the light. All right, I'm getting the light. Okay, much better. All right, now we can all focus, folks. Sunshine, Cub Pup Reporter. Slightly uncomfortable, not sure why, but Mom has readjusted 7 times and I seem to be at my happy place now. Okay, so it's a short one today, and apparently you can make a book out of a playing card. Who knew? And you don't have to sew them. You can just use stretchy elastic to hold the signatures in. You can even do that on a bigger book. It does work. Mom said so, and I think she showed you in a video somewhere way back, God knows where. But it might be in the Junk Journal Construction playlist on her main channel page. Okay, you heard it here from Sunshine. Okay, Mom, I need to readjust. My legs are going somewhere else. No, okay. All right, I'm back, and everything is contained, and I'm quite comfortable now. And, okay, so if you didn't know, Mom has a free monthly email newsletter. You get a free digital image emailed to you every month. Checklist of supply, note from the bookmaker. Mom, why am I delivering this information? I am protesting. This is not my responsibility. I would like to talk more about the squirrel, but the squirrel's gone now, so we don't need to talk more about the squirrel. What else? So there is a big pile of paper over there that Mom has not yet cleaned up. She did the shovaroo. Okay, we all know what that's like. That's like you don't know what to do with the mess, so you shovaroo it over there so it can't really be seen. It's being seen a little bit there, but let me just say it's monstrous. And I'm using that word very lightly and politely, but it's really big, like really big. Yep, it's really big. Okay, so I'm sure she'll get to it yet again, and the desk will be clean yet again. Okay, so, all right, Mom, you take it from here. Sunshine will just hang out for visual, stuff. Okay, all right, fair enough. Our videos, they come out Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, I thought I was doing this. Okay, you take it. And we have a podcast, which comes out Tuesdays and Thursdays, new audio material. Sunshine, I know. And every other day of the week, what do we have? Video podcasts on Spotify. Okay, thank you, son. No problem. Kind of like I have it memorized now, Mom. I've only heard it a million times. What else do we have? An Etsy shop. Okay. What's in the Etsy shop? Journals and bundles and kits and fundles when available. Okay, can I tell them about the Digikits? Yep. Okay, Digikits, we sell those. Those are themed images. All sorts of things like dragonflies, butterflies, birds, Victorian, etc. Over 260 plus themes to pick from. And you just print those out at home. You can save them. You can print them out as many times as you like to use in your junk journaling world or your art world. And if you don't like to print, I offer a print and mail service. She does. And I will print them out for you, 10 Digikits at a time. That gives you 50 printed pages on nice lightweight cardstock. All you do, everybody, all you do is buy the print and mail option and then send me the list of 10 names of Digikits that you want. I only need the first 2 or 3 words to know which ones you're talking about. I'm gone. And I'm back. Look at me. And I will send that to you, free priority mail shipping, just for the cost of the print and mail service. So there you go. I have an Amazon shop if you like favorite tools and supplies you see me use here on the Paper Outpost. I try and put links in there for you so you can find them. And I have a merchandise shop if you like the phrase create with reckless abandon. Bye. And everything is a craft supply. What is it, Sunny? Until proven otherwise. You can get that on t-shirt, sweatshirt, zipped hoodie, mug, tote, or water bottle. Okay, thank you for the help. And you can find us where? On Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook group. Come join the Facebook group. Having a lot of fun over there doing weekly and monthly challenges. Thank you, son. And also remember, well, you gotta tell them the big finale. Yeah, remember, create with reckless abandon, and everything is a craft supply. No, and fun can be simple. That's what it is. Thank you, Sunshine and Mom out. All right, everybody, take care. Till we see you next time. Bye bye.